Oh, 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 it's mine. I'm gonna make the most delicious glazed ham you've ever seen, and it's going to blow your mind. If you got a bunch of hungry, angry people coming your way and you need to feed them to keep them calm, this ham is what you need. It's big, it's tasty, it's going to make everybody happy, and when they're eating a lot, they're definitely gonna pass out. That's our 3 kilogram farmer's ham. It's already been brined and it's already been cooked. Of course, we always have to do our quality check to see if the product is right. A little bit of country farmer's ham. Oh my God. We could just warm it up as it is and you're gonna have the most amazing ham already. But I wanna make this thing better. It's already been brined, so we don't need to do that. But there's just not this particular element about it. It's just like really good ham. And I got the perfect way to make it better. And to do that, we're going to make a barbecue rub first. Starting with 1 part of paprika powder, 1 part of onion powder, 1/4 part of garlic powder, 1/4 part of ground black pepper, and 1 part of sugar. And there's a lot of salt in this ham, so we don't need to add salt to our rub. Mix that all up and sprinkle it onto the ham. Make it look all pretty and nice. Now let's fire up the barbecue. People always want to know at this point, how long is it going to take? How long should I put it in? Well, I estimate that this piece is going to take me half an hour to cook for each kilograms at a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. So in total, with 3 kilograms, we will be looking at 1.5 hours. But there's so many things to consider. It's the starting temperature of the ham that we need to consider. It's like the outside influence. Maybe the barbecue might be fluctuating, the consistency of the meat, the density of the brine. All these things matter. And if you want to be sure, you just use a core thermometer, which I always do. Stick it in there and just measure the temperature with your phone or whatever. So just stick it in there, close the lid, let the barbecue do its job, and sit back and relax. Time to make the most sinful glaze you've ever seen. We're going to start with 2 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of apple syrup, a big fat lump of butter, and some cinnamon. Now we're going to let this melt over in my little fireplace, stir it up, and yes, if you have any kind of medical issues, please don't use this sauce. It's not gonna be good for you, but it will definitely make you happy. Now that we have a silky smooth glaze, it's time to put it on our ham. Let's take a look at our ham. Whoa, we can see that our rub is dried up nicely and it's even forming a crust. Because it looks like it's loose on top, but it's completely attached. It's really getting a crust. And that's what we want for this ham. We want it to be a bomb of flavor on the outside. We got that nice little ham flavor on the inside, but it needs more. It definitely needs our glaze. And it's basically caramel with apple flavor and a little bit of cinnamon. Stick it on there, nice and thick. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna taste amazing. Sweet like candy. We've reached our desired core temperature of 65 degrees Celsius core temperature, and take a look at our beauty. She looks good. Look at that, man. We got that beautiful glaze on, twice glazed, bombed with sugar and flavor and all kinds of goodness. This ham is amazing. It's time to take it off and slice it up. It's a beauty, right? Look at it. It's juicy, it's tender, it's flavorful. Well, at least we still gotta try, but it looks absolutely fantastic.
Maybe you want to slice a piece as well.
Oh, that makes me so happy.
Oh. Wipe my mouth?
Yeah, you look like a joker.
It's like dinner, but it also has a little bit of dessert.
Say something nice to me, Marcel. Try it
You
sometimes.
look beautiful when you're eating ham.
No,
I think the problem is that when you slice it this thin, you keep on eating.
Why don't we make this every week?
know
Life could be
what?
so simple.
You know what I'm thinking?
No?
I have a pellet smoker at home.
Yes, you're gonna
And
make
I
this.
never did this. I never did this.
Hope Marcel's mom is not watching.
It doesn't need the sauce, it doesn't need anything. But what my mom would say, eat your veggies. I'm not gonna do that today.
I'm getting the look again.
Angry, hungry people, I think you can feed 10 maybe.
It looks kind of like I didn't put any effort in making this ham. And it's true, I didn't put much effort in it, but I put all my love into it. I made it even more loving and more favorable than it already is. Ham is great by itself, and if you warm it up, it tastes amazing. But when you put a rub on and the glaze, it just gets more layers of flavor and a little bit of smoke flavor from the pellet smoker. Man, you can put this on any smoker or any barbecue, but it just adds, and you put love into it, and you can taste it, and it's amazing because cinnamon is just giving you that hint of Christmas. It makes you happy, it makes you smile. You know, it's definitely not healthy. Definitely not. Definitely not. You could get in trouble with this. But it's like cheat meal, but then times 100.
Is it really that bad for you?
It's not healthy.
I knew that.
Did you see the amount of sugar that we used? The crust is the whole secret. It's what makes it so good. Oh, we should do like celebrity MTV Cribs,
Yeah.
but then the grills, only the grills. And then when they get to like the area, the backyard area, and they show the grill and say, this is where the magic happens. That would be so cool. We could have like a whole never-ending series. Oh, 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 it's mine. It's mine.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you make the recipe at home. Check out our website, www.pitmasterx.com. I want to say a big thank you to the Patreons, the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk. En keep on growing. There you go.